Hello friends, welcome to Bright Tag Design. So, in today's video, we're going to create a beautiful text typography design just like this one. We'll see exactly how we can make this kind of design in CorelDraw step by step. Alright then, let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, select the rectangle tool. Now, draw a rectangle and set its size to 100 by 100. Next, take the text tool and type something of your choice here. I'll now change its font style to something that fits better. Keep the lock ratio option active and set the height of the text to 100 as well. Then, using the shape tool, reduce the gaps between the letters to make the text look more compact. After that, click on the text and choose Convert to Curves. Now, I'll grab this node and drag it to connect it with this other node here. Once that's done, select everything together. Click once again on it to switch into rotation mode, so it rotates like this. Then, skew it slightly upward from here to give it a nice angled effect. Next, take the freehand tool, and while holding Ctrl, draw a straight line from this node. Now select this line and make a copy of it right here. After that, delete the original line. Select the rectangle again, and set its outline thickness to 10 points. Then, reduce the outline size again to 2 points for better balance. Now, go to the Shadow tool, and from there, select the Blend tool. Blend these two text objects together. For now, keep the blend step set to 1. Then, select this tool and change its color to white. Bring it forward using the Page Up key. Now, increase the blend steps to 15. Right-click on the blend and choose Break Blend Apart. After that, select everything and choose Ungroup All. Select all objects again, but while holding Shift, deselect the outline. Now give the selected parts a black outline. Set the outline thickness to 1 point. Then, go to the Object menu and click on Convert Outline to Object. This will convert the outline into an editable shape. Select everything once again, hold Shift, and deselect the outline shape. Right-click and group the remaining objects together. Now this group is properly created. Next, select the outline and bring it forward using Page Up. Again, go to the Object menu and choose Convert Outline to Object for this one too. Now drag this and make a copy of it here. Using the Smart Fill tool, fill these areas with color. Select the filled parts and give them a red color. Apply the same red color to the other shapes as well. Then, drag this color from one node to the other node to create a nice gradient effect. Now remove the outline from this object. Change its fill to black color. Send it backward using Page Down. Then, delete the extra shape. Next, select the pen tool and draw a line here like this. Hold Shift and select the text as well. Then, click on Back minus Front to remove the overlapping outline portion. Now move this text upward slightly. Select the Blend tool again, and blend these two shapes together. Set the blend step to 15. Adjust the acceleration slightly to make the transition smoother. Then, take the rectangle tool again and draw another rectangle like this. Select it and press Ctrl+G to group it. Now select both objects together and press E and C to align them perfectly in the center. Change its color to black. Send it backward using Page Down. And that's it, your design is now ready. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching.